I think people like look at these movies where people like are in dark rooms and they're programming and speaking these decoded kind of languages. And I think normally when people think of coding, they think of that.
Some people may think that you need like a very high level understanding of like math. They do go hand in hand in a sense, but it's not like you need to be an expert in like every math in order to understand programming, especially not when you're first starting.
Maths is helpful, especially to some topics, but you definitely don't need to be like a genius or anything that people might think to like get started and like write some code.
You don't need a computer science degree. A lot of people might feel that they need to have like a CS background to write code, and there are lots of CS people that don't really write code because they're more theoretical.
One common misconception that I see is that you have to be an expert at every single programming language and like gotta catch them all. Let me learn every single one to be the best programmer. In my opinion, and I'm a faculty in a computer science department, so I think now I have a decent understanding of stuff. I think it's good to just be really, really good at a couple languages, and if you want to learn more as time goes on, that's fine. But I think especially in your early days, just pick one single language and just try to get good at it.
I think like a lot of people get really like hang up on knowing like a particular language. You just need to be like super flexible and kind of just like go with like whatever is the best like tech or code or technique or tool to do this right now.
Like a lot of people, when they think of programming, sometimes they don't like think that it could be creative. I feel like sometimes there might be a stigma that it's very robotic and like tedious and not fun at all. But like if you really enjoy it, like I feel like there's a lot of things that you could do with it.
I didn't expect it to be fun.